the clock was ticking, but I held on to the moment anyway. You were sunlight in the winter, warmth I never thought I'd feel. Every touch was temporary, but it all felt so unreal. I could see the ending coming, like a shadow on the floor. Still I held you like a secret I'd be foolish to ignore. I knew the ending waited somewhere just beyond your smile. We were living on borrowed time, holding on to seconds that were never really mine. Every kiss, every night was a moment I kept stealing from the light. I knew someday you'd draw the line, but I stayed anyway, pretending you were mine. Love that wasn't built to last still felt worth the borrowed time. You were always half a promise, half a dream I couldn't keep. But I chose the fleeting magic over nights of dreamless sleep. I could feel you drifting slowly, like a tide that won't return. But I held on to the embers just to feel a little burn. I knew the ending was coming, but I held on to what we had. We were living on borrowed time, holding on to seconds that were never really mine. Every kiss, every night was a moment I kept stealing from the light. I knew someday you'd draw the line, but I stayed anyway, pretending you were mine. Love that wasn't built to last still felt worth the borrowed time. Maybe loving you was choosing beauty over what was true. Maybe I was meant to lose you just to learn what love can do. And though the ending still reminds me how the sweetest things can fade, I don't regret a single heartbeat of the moments that we made. We were living on borrowed time, and I'd do it all again just to feel your hand in mine. Every kiss, every night was a spark that made the darkness feel like light. I knew someday you'd draw the line, but I stayed anyway, pretending you were mine. Some loves only last a while, but they're worth the borrowed time. I always knew the clock was ticking, but I loved you while I could.